Hello there, how is it going? Today's lesson is about demonstrative pronouns. This, these, that, those. The demonstrative pronouns this and these are used to point at people or things that are close or near us. An example: this is an apple. These are apples. The pronouns that and those are used to point at people or things that are far from us. Another example: that is an apple. Those are apples. The singular demonstrative pronouns this and that are used with singular nouns. The plural pronouns these and those are used with plural nouns. Now let's practice and do exercise 1. Choose the right word: this, that, these, or those. Here are the answers. Okay, now let's ask and answer questions using this and these. As in the example, what is this? It's a pencil. What are these? They are pencils. Do the same and answer the questions. Check your answers. This is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.